Want this 3D Pokemon Red game on your phone? Here's the tutorial. Go to Chrome and search Gen 1 Recomp and click on the GitHub page. Download the latest APK version on this GitHub page. After this, you need one more file. Download this from the Dramatic Shape voxel GitHub page. Open Gen 1 Recomp and import your Pokemon Red ROM in the app. After importing the ROM, now go to Mods section and import the Dramatic Shape voxel file. Now let's see how to enable this effect in the game. Click on Start and select Option. Then scroll down and select Color, then choose Advance. Now select Voxel and choose Full. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.